This dance is called Electric Slide. It's an 18 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, we're going into some vines. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, and scuff that left through. So it's gentle contact with the ground with the heel of the foot. Vine back to the left. So you're going to step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side, scuff that right heel. So again, just like gentle contact with the ground with the heel of the foot. That set of steps once more, vining to the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, scuff, side, behind, side, scuff. You're now going to walk back 3 steps, right foot leading, because there's no weight on it. So you go back right, back left, back right. Touch that left beside the right. Step forward on the left, touch the right beside the left. Step back on that right, step the left beside the right. You're then going to step forward on the left. You're going to scuff the right, but as you scuff that right, you're actually going to make yourself a quarter of a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then, walking back off on that right. 7, 8, back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, scuff. That is the end of the dance when you get to that point. So let's put it all together. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, scuff, side, behind, side, scuff. Back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, scuff. And you start all over again. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and I am going to speed it up just a little bit as we go around the walls because the music's just a little bit faster. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, scuff, side, behind, side, scuff. Back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, scuff, side, behind, side, scuff, side, behind, side, scuff, back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, scuff, side, behind, side, scuff, side, behind, side, scuff, back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, scuff. So hopefully you managed to follow that around those other 3 walls. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side, behind, side, step, side, behind, side, step. Back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, step. Side, behind, side, step, side, behind, side, step. Back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, step. Side, behind, side, step, side, behind, side, step. Back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, step. Side, behind, side, step, side, behind, side, step, back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, step, side, behind, side, step, side, behind, side, step, back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, step, side, behind, side, step, side, behind, side, step, back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, step, side, behind. behind, side step, back, 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 touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, step, violin. Back, violin, back, violin, back, violin, back, hope you managed that one.